Hey y'all, Country Cuz here. So today is back flush heater core radiator day. So this is a 1998 Dodge Ram 1500 four-wheel drive. And I rode to work the other day and it just wasn't warming me up like it's supposed to. And a buddy of mine rode with me, Joe. He said, dude, it's freezing in here. He said, maybe you want to back flush your heater core. And I was like, oh, okay. So I went to Walmart yesterday and I bought the Preston flush and fill kit. It comes with these little tees. I'll show you. This is just one of the tees that I put in here just for today's video. It comes with a 5/8, a half, and another 3/4, I guess. So the way you do this is you find your radiator water inlet valve or inlet hose. All right, and I found it. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see, where is it? There. Let's see, where is it? There it is. No. Anyway, it's back there somewhere. So it goes from your water pump, which is down there, and it goes through your thermostat and into this hose. I got it back a little bit to where I don't lose any more antifreeze than I need. And it goes the inlet to the heater core, and then it goes out back to your water pump. And I've got a little bucket in here to catch all the harmful stuff that comes out of my radiator core. And the temperature of the vehicle is cold right now, and I'm not gonna open the radiator. I've got my hose ready, and this also came with the kit. It's a backflow preventer. So I'm gonna try to do this with one hand and still to where y'all can see. The reason I have this on a hose is because I don't want to put too much hard pressure through this. There we go. It's nice and tight. My water is on, so in theory I'm gonna squeeze the handle and the water is gonna go back through that hose in reverse through my heater core. You don't want to flush all the nasty through your heater core because it just clog it up worse. So we're going backwards, and hopefully you'll be able to see all kinds of gunk come out of that hose right there. So let's do this. Don't forget to like and subscribe and tickle the notification bell, and next time I upload a video you'll be notified. It's a little chilly out here today, but here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, look at that nastiness. Hopefully this is gonna help me a lot. Uh-oh, got something going on here. Of course, nothing ever go right. Let's see if I can, oh, I'll see what happened. Bear with me. Hold on, fellas and ladies, I guess, if you're watching this video. Alright, y'all can see that. Y'all saw a lot of nasty come out. Alright, here we go. And you do this until it runs clear. As you can see, there's all kinds of rust and gunk coming out of my heater core. Hopefully this is going to really help. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at there. It's clear now. Heck yeah. I'm going to have heat. Awesome. That went really well. And then you look down in there. Oh, golly bum, look at all that. And that's it. Anybody can do this. I'm kind of a do-it-yourselfer because work on your vehicles can be very expensive. I'm glad it went well. I did all this hookup prior to the video, so it would be a little bit better video. I've seen plenty where they're just, oh, let me do this, oh goodness, blah blah. So the only thing I really moved was this tube for my air hat, just to make it easier to video, and I'm very happy that everything went well. So I mean, that's it. All you do now is you unhook your hose. And like I said, it's cold today. I had to let my hose thaw out. Uh-oh. Of course, always happens to me. Okay, there we go. All right, good video. So, like I said, guys, if you like this video, I know it's been a while since I've uploaded anything, but winter time, country cows don't like winter too much. So, that's how you do it. No, Banks, go away. This stuff is harmful to animals and humans. If you was to drink it, it would kill you. So don't drink antifreeze. Don't drink anything out of your radiator. Although there was nice clean water coming out, I still wouldn't drink it. Banks, go away. No. Banks is a Pawpaw's helper. Here, I'll get him out of here. Banks. Go. Go. Sorry guys, I had to do that. That's Pawpaw's buddy. Oh, and make sure you have a good tool kit. A good automotive tool kit. And your projects will go a whole lot easier. So, like I said, guys, if you enjoyed this video, like it. Please like it. That's what you got to do. The more you like the videos, the more they show up in the feed. So, anyway, hope you enjoyed it. And I'll try to upload more do-it-yourself videos and product review videos. So, thanks, guys.